In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Rengoku Blox Fruits level 1000. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire the Rengoku. This is a legendary sword. It is obtainable in the second sea on the Ice Castle. So to start, make your way over to the Ice Castle. I'm gonna be giving you super straightforward instructions. So to acquire this, you will need to obtain the hidden key. This is going to be a rare drop, so sadly, you will need to get lucky in order to acquire this item. So to obtain the hidden key, you will need to defeat any of these enemies that are listed here. So you will be able to primarily acquire it by defeating the Awakened Ice Admiral. You will have roughly a 5% chance to get it from him. So this is going to be the primary way. Alternatively, you can also get it from these other two enemies, so Snow Lurkers and Arctic Warriors. However, these two are going to have a lower chance, so less than 5%. I don't have the exact percentage, but to keep it simple, focus on killing the Awakened Ice Admiral if you can, and from time to time, try killing Snow Lurkers or the Arctic Warriors. And as long as you defeat these enemies, you will have a chance of getting the hidden key. Once you obtain this key, you will be able to use it within the Ice Castle itself to get the Rengoku. So, to find it, go over to this wall here. So you will have the staircase, just go to the right, and you will have access to this wall. Interact with this wall by using the hidden key, and immediately you will open a chamber where you will have full access to the Rengoku. After you claim it, it is yours to keep. So all that you have to do is go over to this hidden room at the right side of the staircase. So keep trying to obtain the hidden key, and once you have it, go to the room. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Rengoku Blox Fruits level 1000. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.